In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely cranberry tea. Cranberry is very healthy, packed with vitamin C, packed with iron. To make this beautiful tea, I'm going to use 2 cups of water. And also, it is good to build up your immune system. It's good also to regulate blood pressure, high cholesterol, and it's also good for digestive system. It's good for infection in the body, good for diabetes, and it's also good for heart health. And this is one of the reasons why you should consume cranberry tea on a regular basis, or cranberry. In this video, I'm adding a stick of cinnamon to the cranberry, and I'm gonna let it boil. And as soon as it boils, just remove cinnamon stick, and I will be blending some cranberry just to get those fiber breaking up and in it, and then I will add it back to the mixture. So once you blend it, pour it back in it and bring it back to a boil. Make sure you give it a couple stir just to let it incorporate in it. Once it starts boiling, make sure you have your cup ready. I'm going to use some honey in this recipe. Just to let you know, if it's the first time you're watching this channel, thanks for having you. I appreciate you all. Thanks to all my new subscribers, those who have subscribed. And if it's the first time, please do remember to subscribe, share, leave positive comment to this channel. At this point, I'm going to remove it and I'm going to add it to my teapot. This teapot is very good about it. Tesco have a strainer in the middle, something you can get on Amazon also. So this strainer is have a fine tube strainer in the middle, so you don't have to worry about like small particles or debris. And this strainer is off perfectly. At this point, just get your cup ready and add some honey in it. So I'm using about a teaspoon of honey in this one, but it's personal preference. You can add whatever sweetener you choose, or if you choose not to have, it's perfectly fine. Then go ahead and just pour your hot tea over the honey. That way, you don't need to stir it much. Eventually, the hot liquid will melt the honey and get it blended in. And after this, I'm gonna get some fresh cranberry and just pour in top of it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video, and I'm sure it will bring a lot of health benefits